Bhí Brandon Mendoza díreach críochnaí cheall aibre nuair a bhfuil cára eile díreach an éidean a cháir, Mario é. Inimmarcach neamhleach a bhí sa tománaí eile, a bhí tríthúra tharrainteoireann alcohol agus ar na ribí le methamphetamine.
I am not against people coming to our country. My fight is against the illegal alien criminals and the people who repeatedly come over our border, committing crimes against Americans, killing them, raping them, the drug mules that come over our border and bring drugs into this country. This is where I feel that our country has failed us as American citizens.
Tá grúpa feachtas bunaithe ag Marianne agus teaghlaí eile a cháil gaolta marall ar inimmarcaí neamhleacha. Seir tá bhóg ná go mbeidh an tórainn daingnithe. Tacaíonn Uachtar an Trump go mórló.
President Trump's message resonates with the American people because he's not politically correct. He says it like it is. He's a breath of fresh air because I think everything that he does, he's making sure that Americans are first, making America great again.